Food inspector. You're going to be running an audit on your business. How's the food working out? How's the food working out? Check if the machine is running. Gotta check if the machine. Oh shoot! All right. Does your does your heater work?
Yes.
How's the heater running?
We don't have a heater. The vents are running without AC.
All right. Is the fridge cold? Is the freezer cold?
Whoa, what they check is this?
Below. Okay.
That's
All right. Check.
Okay.
Pretty good. Pretty hot.